Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing full tutorials on how to sell on Jumia. Just like I told you in our previous video, in case you've not watched the video, I told you that if you want to start your e-commerce journey in 2023, number one thing you need to do is to start selling on Jumia. So that's what we are going to be talking about today. But first thing you need to know about is that Jumia hubs are only in Lagos State. So only when you are in Lagos State that you can sell on Jumia. Number two thing is that you have to ship your item within the first 24 hours. Number three thing is that you have to ship the right item. Make sure the item you are selling is not fake. So we have to dive into it, but before then, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well by clicking the subscription button and the bell button. It will really help you because I will be dropping more tips about e-commerce. We still have more tutorials to go, and I will be dropping them as soon as I can. So thank you, and let's dive in. Hey guys, just like I discussed with you earlier, we are going to create our very first Jumia store today. So make sure you have your email ready, you have every necessary information ready. So first thing first, once you open your browser, the next thing is to visit sellercenter.jumia.com.ng. Then you click enter and allow it to load. Alternatively, if you can't remember this long URL link, you can actually type Seller Center Jumia on Google. Then the first answer it will bring is that link. Then just click on it. Now, instead of trying to log in, since we don't have an account, so the first thing we need to do is to register on Jumia. So click on register to sell, and then down here click on sell on Jumia. Then the next thing, they are asking for the shop name. So our shop name for today will be Better Shop. Okay, Better Shop. And they're asking, please select if you are an individual or a business entity. Let's just call it a registered business. If you are a registered business, that you have your CSC certificate or your any other business certificate, so click on registered business. If you are a company, click on company. Then if you are an individual, just click on individual. So account manager first name, so the name of the person that's handling the account for you, so you can say John Samson. Okay, so it can be John Samson, or it can be, let me put my name, Sulaiman Gafar. Okay, Sulaiman Gafar. So account manager phone number, so we have to put a phone number into this. So the phone number is going to just go down in there. So let me look out for a phone number we can have there for the sake of this training. So then the email address, so I've already opened the email here, so make sure your email tab is already open so that you won't be stressing yourself around. So just copy the email address, or if you know it offhand, you can just type it in here. If you take note, I omit this place. The reason is because they're asking for an additional phone number. If you have an additional phone number and you want to show it, you can put it there. It's not compulsory. Anywhere you see that doesn't have this star icon is not compulsory. So let's proceed. So you retype the email address here. Then what's your ideal password? Just type in the password that you want to be using for the account. So then I've read and accepted, then continue. Oh, they say Better Shop already exists, so let's look for Better okay, Better Smile. Okay, let's see if that already exists too. Okay, well, they're asking for the password this time around, so let's retype the password. So oh yes, so then you can save it if you want to save it, but I don't need that. So referred by, you don't need to put anything here as far as you are not referred by anyone. Do you already have a shop on Jumia? The answer is no, but if you have, you can put there, but it's advisable you even put no if you have. So if yes, blah blah blah, just leave all this place. Then your address, you can just put your house address, 24 Williams Street, Surulere. I'm just putting a fake address, so you can put an address, your own address. Okay, so okay, so they're asking for the town you are, the city. The city is Surulere, so let's remove it here. It's just Surulere. Then legal entity, you don't need to put anything here, just leave it blank. Business owner or legal representative, date of birth, so just leave all these places. Okay, tax identification number, all these are for people who already who have a registered account. So the next thing is to click continue. So now under this add bank accounts, now as you can see, there's nothing showing here, so we have to put it maybe later in the video. So we have to go and do that under profile. So just click on continue. So we are almost done to start selling. So the bank account is not still active. Okay, so just look here, there needs to be something here that we are missing. Okay, so let's click on start selling. Okay, so thanks for signing up with Jumia, this and that, blah blah blah. They have sent us an email, so go to your this thing and refresh your email, and you'll see the email that was sent to you. The email is not loading. You can easily go to your all mail. If you can't find it under inbox, just go to your all mail. Then there are two mail. There's one they use in welcoming you, and there's one for verifying your Seller Center account. So that's the one you click on. Then you come down here and click on this link here. So you've been returned back here. So next thing is to log in. So better smile and your password, and click on login. Now congratulations, you've created your Jumia store. So on the next chapter, I'm going to be showing you how to upload on your Jumia store. But before then, let's go to your profile and work something out. We have unfinished business. So under your profile here, you are going to put your bank details, your bank name, your account number. Then I think that's all. So that whenever they want to make payment to you based on what you have sold, you are going to have it there. So the next chapter, I'm going to show you how to upload on Jumia. Stay tuned. So hello guys, back to business. There are two ways to upload product on Jumia. There's the long process way and there's a short way of doing it also. So first of all, we'll be starting with the long process way. Then we can also try the short way of doing it. We call the short way, we call it sell yours way. That is by uploading a product that has already been existing on Jumia and by re-uploading it in your own store. Maybe you want to sell a product and someone else is already selling it on Jumia. You can actually duplicate the person's product and have it in your own store. So let's start with the long process way first. So to do the long process way, first thing you need to do is to click on product here, then click on create a new product. Now once you click on create a new product, you have to come down here and click on create a new product again. So once you click on it, it brings you here where you select the category of the product you are selling. So the category of the product you are trying to sell. So let's say fashion. Then under fashion, we have men's fashion. Under men's fashion, we have shoes. Okay. Under shoes, we have loafers and slip-ons. I think that's where I'm going. Then click on select. Now, product name can say men's casual leather slip-on. So this percentage, the content score we have here is actually meant to it's actually meant to give you updates on your progress while doing it. So we are targeting at least 80% to be sure that we have done a very wonderful job uploading the product. So we have to meet up with all these that are showing red. The ones that are showing green are the ones that we have actually met up with so far. So the next thing was the brand. If you want to upload a product on Jumia and you don't know the brand name and it's a fashion product, the brand name will be fashion. So just click on fashion. So if you have any other question, you can ask in the comment section. So then main color, let's say brown. Then the next, and let's enter the next step, which is more product details. So product line, under product line, what we have there is your store name, which is Better Smile. That's my own store name. You can put your own store name there. Then venture type, just leave all these places. Color family, brown. So material, leather. Main material, leather. So as you can see, we'll soon be having we've not gotten to where we are going yet. That's just why we are. So under description, you have to write everything about that slippers, everything about what you are. So I'm just copying whatever rubbish here, just to, there's a particular length that your description must get to. So this description, for instance, now must more or equal to 300. So we are going to 300 actually. So let's go. That's 300 words and we have 251. Okay, 286. Okay, we hit the 300. As you can see, it comes to 25 here, but I don't know the reason why it is showing number of bullets in short description, percentage of bold word. Okay, the bold words are too much, so let's unbold it. Let's make it normal. Okay, so okay, so percentage of bold word, you have to bold just a very few word there. As you can see, it has increased. So now let's come to highlight. Under highlight, you have to write some, maybe in summary, what the footwear, what the buyer will achieve by actually purchasing the footwear. You can say it's nice, like it's stylish. Okay, then you can say it's value for money, that is the person never throw away money. The person actually spend money on the right thing. So you can say it's durable, that is the person the money, the thing will last the person for a very long while. So you can just write anything. You can just say it's casual. Okay, so we need a minimum of 4 bullets in short description, which is here. So as you can see, we have got 60. So let's scroll down again and see what we are missing. So weight, I usually put 0.3 under weight. So then additional this thing, all this product warranty duration, just leave it. Those ones have to do with electronics. So text manufacturer, then under this no group selected, come here, gender, men, hue type, where's flat, yeah, season, all seasons, size type, Europe. That's, I think, is Europe we are using here in Nigeria. Soul type, just put the kind of soul it is using, which I don't know. So now we have 95. So what are we missing? Main color. That's what we are missing. So main color is up here. As you can see, that's the only one that's showing red. So where's the main color? I didn't miss it. These guys are funny. I didn't miss main color is here, and I wrote something down there. So I don't know why they are being funny. So next thing is for you to go to product pricing. So product pricing. So now under product pricing, we have the size. You have to select the size. So come to EU. Yeah, we have different kind of sizes. This Chinese size. So come to EU and select the sizes that are available that you have for sale. So we have size 40. Under this SKU, you can just put anything that will make you recognize this thing, like sleep 40. Okay, so here don't put anything here. Quantity, how many do you have? I suggest you put minimum of 20. Then price. Now under this pricing, now we have normal price, we have sale price. Now sale price, normal price is your normal price. You can actually put it, let's say 2,300 naira. Then sale price is your discounted price. We can put under our discounted price 1,900. Now anything that make you put a sale price, you must actually tell them when is the start date and the end date of your promo. So let's say it's starting today, and when is it ending? So we have to pick a very far distance date or an actual date that it is ending. Wherever where you are, put a far distance date, then leave it like that. Now we want to upload picture. Now to upload the picture, but before we upload picture, in case you want to add more variation, like we only have size 40, you want to add size 41, just click on add another product variation and come down here and size 41, and then sleep 41. So just the same thing, you don't need to put price, they already set it for you. So click on, unless the price, there's difference between the prices, so you can actually edit it. So upload picture. Now you can upload up to 8 pictures. You can upload just 1 picture also. So in this case, I'll be uploading just 1 picture. So then go and look for the picture that you want to upload and upload. So then submit and finish. And that's just it. Now automatically they are telling you that you have uploaded two products, because we did size 40 and size 41. They are regarded as 2 separate products. So that's just it. So we'll be working on the short way of doing. Hey guys, so if you're able to do the long process of doing the upload, you have actually completed one of the most tedious tasks in this project. So now let's move on to the short way of doing it. Now first of all, if you want to do the short way, then you visit jumia.com.ng. So you visit jumia.com.ng. Then you look for the product that you want to upload. I mean a product that you already have. For instance, now maybe this clipper, now I already have it, but I know I can't snap a picture that is as neat as this, or I don't even have time to be going about it and doing it. So then the best thing to do is to click on it like this, then scroll down a bit and come to have one to sell. Click here to list yours. So now every damn thing has been created for you. Every damn thing has been created for you. Oh, this one cannot be found on their database. I think the seller has already deleted the product. So let's go back to Jumia and find another. Why would they keep a product that has already been deleted? So we are back on Jumia now, trying to locate another product. Okay, let's say this sneaker. Don't tell me that this sneaker has been sold out too, please. So come down here and have one to sell. Click here to sell yours. Good. So the first thing, as you can see, they just brought us straight to the pricing place. So every other thing has been filled up for us, but we'll be editing some of them. So just type in your SKU, come here, put the quantity here, come here and put the price. Now if I put only one price here now, and I don't want to put sale price, it will only show one price. But if I put sale price, it will slash this price, it will put a slash mark on it and actually make the sale price the active price. So let's go on. So let's say this one is 10,000 naira. So this time around we are changing the sizes. I mean, we are changing the price of the sizes. Let's say this one is 11,000 naira and this one is going to be 12,000 naira, depending on the size of the footwear. 12,000 naira, and this one is going to be, let's say this one is going to be 13,000 naira. So now we are done with this. Now let's go back to the beginning. Now in the beginning, everything is set, as you can see, the color, the model of the sneaker and everything. Now let's come to more product. Now this is where you have work to do. The person's store name is what we have here, so you have to change it to your own store name, which is Better Smile, so that when anybody click on your product, it will not just take the person to another person's store. Now as you can see, the person is ranking 75. Now what that person is not doing right, let's make it right. Description word. So the tip here is that you can easily copy this description word and duplicate it by repasting it again. Now as you can see, it's now, so the percentage of bold words there, let's just make some of the words bold. As you can see, now we have 95. So they don't want us to click 100 because that main color has already been filled. I don't know why they are just doing the way they are doing. So I think that's just all. Now come to images. The images are already there, so just click on submit and finish, and that's just it. That's just it. It will take very short time, maybe within a very few hours, even if possible a few minutes, and your product will be fully active. As you can see, it's still under processing. This is the icon for processing, but it will soon be active. Everything has been uploaded. It's just for it to be live on the store because it's a new store too, so that's why it's taking time. So that's just it about uploading products. So next on, I'm going to show you how to work on how to be familiar with this environment. I'm going to show you about that on our next chapter. So after just a few minutes, where our product is already live on Jumia. That's the first one we uploaded with it, which is this. If you want to view it, just uh, click on it. Let's open it on Jumia and see how it looks. So it's live. Anybody can order for this product right now. And as you can see, the main price I put there, which is 2,300 now, was slashed, while the 1,900 was there. So minus 17%. So that's the discount, the percentage of the discount I'm putting there. So minus 17%. So, but that's not where we are going right now. Where we're actually going is back inside here. I want you to be familiar with this environment. So first of all, this coach now is where Jumia will be giving you some recommendation on how to grow your store. So don't joke with it. Just be checking it on once in a while. You'll be seeing some tips on how to grow your store. Then under products here, this managed product is where we are, where we have the list of our existing products. Under this manage product now, we can rename products, we can delete products. Under this edit, we can delete products, we can restore short version, copy product, etc, etc. You can actually edit anything here. You can edit your price also. So under create a new product, that's a long process of product. Import product is for if you already have a product elsewhere and you already save it as CVR, whether it's CRV format, then you can import it down here. The manage product images is if you want to edit only the picture of a particular product. Jumia Express. Now this Jumia Express now is another package of Jumia. If you're already selling on Jumia for a long while and a particular product is selling so well that you are shipping like 10-20 of it daily, so Jumia will invite you for their Express, which means you can pack like 100 of that product to Jumia warehouse, and they will be able to sell it for they will be shipping it for you. You don't need to be visiting Jumia hub. They will be using their own packaging material to ship it for you whenever you have an order. And the second advantage of Jumia Express is that Jumia will personally promote that particular product for you to be selling well. So anything that make your product not to sell well under Jumia Express, maybe that product is a failure on its own. So under orders here, we have, before we go there, these all products under this live now, they are going to show only the products that are active. Under image missing, products that have their images missing, rejected products, sold out. So all these now you can actually click on any of them to see the products that are actually missing. So under orders, if you click on orders and click on manage orders, they will bring you here. If you have any order, you'll see it here. There's going to be a small red dot here. Small red dot here that's going to show the number of order you currently have. If it's 1, if it's 2, if it's 3, if it's 100, you are going to see very small red dot. So then back here, if you have any pending order, all those 1, 2, 3 orders, they are going to be listed under pending. So there's a way you are going to set them to ready to ship within the first 24 hours, then ship. Once you take it to Jumia Hub, you are going to do what? You are going to ship them. So that's just it. So once you ship them, after some days, maybe it is delivered, you know it under this completed. Now the fate of the product is under this completed. If it's delivered, it's going to be under delivered. If it was cancelled by the customer, or it was cancelled by you, maybe you don't have that product anymore and you cancel the order, which you will be penalized for, it will be shown here. Then delivery failure, that's if the customer refuses to pick call, or if the product doesn't get to the customer for one reason or the other, that's delivery failed. Then under returned is for a product that got to the customer, but the customer is not okay with the product and decide to return it. Remember, there's 7 days return policy on Jumia. So within that 7 days, a customer has the right to return the product. So that's the return here. So moving to promotions. Under promotions, under this my promotions is any promotion that you already enroll for And meanwhile, we have two kind of promotion under this all promotion now. For instance, in November we have Jumia Black Friday. Under this all promotion, that's where you enroll for Jumia Black Friday promo, where you are going to discount your product so that people can buy. So under this all promotion, that's where you have it. If it's Jumia anniversary, which happens around June, May, June, July or so, you see there too. This December period is Christmas sales, so you are going to see it under this promotion. You can enroll for it. So under this sponsored product, you have to pay Jumia a certain amount of money to help you promote your product. They are not going to collect the money from you. They are going to remove it from each sale you make on your product. So that's it. So under this report, that's where you have your sales report. If you click on this sales report, the report of your product, how many products you've sold and code, they are going to be shown here. Then under this account statement, is going to show the money that's coming in, the amount that you have pending, and the amount you are owing, everything. If you were penalized, how you were penalized, how much you were charged for being penalized. It's going to be shown here. The commission that was removed from the product that was delivered is going to be shown here. Then under these settings, you are going to set your profile, and you are going to set a picker. This picker now is for someone that wants to go and pick a product. You are going to create a profile for the person that wants to go and pick a product that was returned, or the product that had a failed delivery. So that's everything about selling on Jumia, guys. So I'm going to give you some tips on how to sell on Jumia in the conclusion part of this video. Wow, guys, it's been a long journey, but thank God we are done with it. So if you just watched this video from the start to the finish, I want to congratulate you, because you just know how to sell on Jumia, A to Z about selling on Jumia. So the tips I want to give you now is just to make sure that you ship your item as soon as possible. Make sure you give full details. Make sure your content score are always in 100%, and also make sure that you enroll for any promotion that's ongoing, like Black Friday, Jumia anniversary, end of the year sales. So make sure you always enroll for them. They will really help to boost your store and boost your sale. So just keep it up, okay? Make sure you subscribe to the channel, click like and share this video to anyone that really needs it. Thank you.